This is the last part of our story, and this is Lola Luz Piminda, and I can't wait to tell you stories about the food and culture of Mindanao. The name Mindanao is derived from the Spanish corruption of the name of the Maguindanao people, the dominant ruling ethnic group in the Sultanate of Mindanao in southwestern Mindanao during the Spanish colonial period. The name itself means people of the lake, Lanao, though it is usually translated to people of the flood plains in modern sources. The southern island group of Mindanao in the Philippines is divided into 6 administrative regions: Bangsamoro, Caraga, Region 13, Davao, Region 11, Northern Mindanao, Region 10, Socsargen, Region 12, Zamboanga Peninsula, Region 9. Being the second largest island group next to Luzon, Mindanao has been dubbed the country's land of promise for its untapped, promising natural resources. It has become globally known for being home to the surf capital of the country, a famous highly urbanized city, and jaw-dropping beaches.
Like Luzon and Visayas, Mindanao is known for various local products such as in Sulu Archipelago. In Basilan, there's palm oil. In Sulu, abaca, durian, and mangosteen. In Tawi-Tawi, there's copra. In Western Mindanao, there's rami. Central Mindanao, there is cotton and tobacco. And in Caraga region, there's abaca. Mindanao is known for various famous local dishes such as grilled chicken in burnt coconut or piyanggang manok in tausug, slow-cooked beef or chicken in burnt coconut broth or tiyula itum in tausug, stewed fish or pialang in tausug, prawn with sauteed coconut or piyarin udang in Lanao, cow liver in burnt coconut or piyasak, and other Mindanao cuisines like sinuglaw, pinakbet, pinaputos, hinalang, lumpiang ubod, sati, and other halal food. One of the local dishes that originated in the BARMM in the province of Maguindanao is pastil. Pastel in Maguindanaoan, patel or pater in Maranao, paster in Irani, means packed meal of rice and viand rolled in banana leaf. Its indigenous ingredients are native chicken, pork, or beef. Its cooking method is binalot sa dahon at pinasingawan, or cooked by steam. Its health benefits are thiamine, selenium, and protein. It is also a good source of zinc, riboflavin, and potassium. Pastil has evolved and now has a new variation, the pork adobo pastil. Of course, this new kind of pastil is not for our brethren who are followers of the Islam faith. It only caters to the non-Muslim diners that loves the semi-sticky rice rolled in banana leaf with shredded stir-fried meat. Pastil is still the most famous budget meal in Mindanao for only 10 pesos per piece. May kanin ka na, may ulam pa. Isang balot, pwede na for breakfast or dinner. Mindanao is truly rich in culture and has indeed a lot to offer. Join us as we travel to the second largest island group of the country, Mindanao.